And to overcome this, we have something called as ArrayList. Okay, so ArrayList is basically providing the dynamic storage of elements. Okay, because the disadvantage of array is you need to first decide what is the size of my array. Okay, let's say you don't know how many elements you are getting. Okay, so it can be less or it can be more one thing. Okay, so array list is provide you the dynamic size one thing. Now what is the syntax? So syntax of array list is write array list keyword. Okay, A and L are capital. Now data type, the name of your array list name equals to new array list bracket one thing. Okay, now one thing is like array list is work with the object one thing. Okay, and primitive types are not object one thing. Okay, these are the fixed one thing. So we always write wrapper class here. Okay, so for an example, int wrapper class is integer one thing. Okay, so we write integer here. Now for an example, array list integer, let's call it as ARR, is equals to new array list one thing. Okay, and if you want to add any element, you can directly add ARR dot add your given element one thing. Okay, and if you want to get, okay, if you want to check, okay, what is present, so write ARR dot get index one thing. Okay, let's quickly perform array list part also. So array list integer ARR is equals to new array list one thing. Okay, now ARR dot add 10 one thing. Okay, now ARR dot add 14 one thing. Okay, now ARR dot add 49 one thing. Okay, so basically it's prepare an array list of size 3 one thing, 0 1 2 10 14 49 one thing. Okay, now you want okay, what is present at the first index. Okay, so you can directly print that one, system.out.println ARR dot get index value. Okay, so you are interested in first index one thing. Okay, so that is 14. Okay, output is 14 one thing. Okay, now if you want, okay, what is the size of my array list? Okay, so for that one, ARR dot size one thing. Now size is a function of array list. Okay, not property. In array, length is the property one thing. Okay, that's one difference. Okay, so size is 3 1 thing. Okay, now let's say if you want to change any index value. Okay, so for that ARR dot set write your index. Okay, so let's say first index, I want to write 34. Okay, 34 one thing. Let's do one thing. Right after printing one. Okay, and then again ARR dot get one thing. Okay, now clear the console. Okay, so first 14, now 34 one thing. Okay, now if you want to print all the value of your array list, so simply write a loop int I is equals to 0, I is less than ARR dot size I plus plus, and inside this system dot out dot println ARR dot get value present at the ith index one thing. Now run your code, so it's print all the values must be. Okay, so here it's provide you dynamic behavior of storing the element. If you want, you can add 10. If you want, you can add 100. If you want, you can add 200. Any amount of elements. Okay, so that's the advantage of array list. Okay, so with that, we are done with all our uh, topics and basics of Java. Okay, now with that knowledge, you can start solving the questions one thing in Java programming language. Okay, okay. Thanks everyone. Thank you.